Welcome everybody to this video. Today I will show you how to fix Poly.AI character glitch. The solution is very easy and quick. Open the settings of your mobile phone, click on apps option next and search here for Poly.AI and click. You're gonna find right now this list of options. Go click on storage, click clear cache now. After this back, click on force stop and click OK. So you come right now to Play Store or App Store and try to update your Poly.AI if the update is available, of course. After updating it, you start your mobile phone and your problem after that will be fixed easy and quick. So if this video was useful, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing in this channel, and see you in another video.